In this video I will show you how to download and install the driver for the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M478-M479 printer. Follow these steps. Open a web browser on your computer and enter your printer model. Search for HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M478-M479 or navigate to the printer's support page. Select your operating system. Choose the operating system you are using, such as Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Download the driver. Click on the download link or button to start the driver download. Once the download is complete, locate the driver file and double-click on it to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions. The installation wizard will guide you through the process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Connect the printer. Connect the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M478-M479 printer to your computer using a USB cable, or make sure it is connected to the same network if you are using a wireless connection. Test the printer. After the driver installation is complete, you can test the printer by printing a test page or any other document.